Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about normalizer transformation in Informatica Powercenter. So this is all important point about the normalizer transformation. So this is active transformation. The active transformation here, the input rows is 2 and after performing the normalizer transformation, the number of rows that directly change after setting some properties. So that here, this is active transformation. And the main reason of using the normalizer transformation, so it is used to convert single row into multiple row. So here you can see this a single row and this is now 3 tabs with the help of normalizer transformation. And when the normalizer transformation receive a row that contain multiple occurring, so this contain a multiple occurring, it return a row for each instance of multiple occurring data. So each instance for the multiple occurring data. Here you can see Sam, this all values that's come there by using the normalizer transformation. So let's understand by example. So this here mapping designer, let's create new mapping m underscore normalizer underscore transformation. So name should be meaningful. So there I'm going to use here customer file. So this come from file. If you want to see the record, let's go on this preview. And here, let's click on this triple dot. And this here, files. And this is the customer. Now, let's click on this open. So here you can see numbers of rows are 2 and numbers of columns are 4. So this all. Now, thereafter, the next is, let's take the normalizer transformation. And here if you select this all or column, so here you cannot see there is any input port. So if I drag there, it's not working. So what we need to do, double click on this normalizer transformation and there, or you need to go on this normalizer tab, then go on this click or there. So by clicking this, you can add the column. So first is here for name. So let's give here name. And this should be a string tab. And here the next is for loan amount. So loan amount, this all values home loan, car loan, credit loan, this all value that go inside the loan amount. So that this should be here number. And here let's give a string and increase the precision. And here this occur only one time. So giving the value 1 and loan amount that here occur 3 times. So that giving 3. And after that, if I go on this board, here you can see this generated. So name and here or this all that's generated. Here generated GK and GC ID. So generate column ID. And now let's click on this apply OK. So there you can see this that's come there. So here name, that's track their name and this threes. Home loan, car loan, credit card loan, this go to the loan amount. And this here you can see decimal, and here a string. So after that, this here. So after that, let's take their one target. So target giving this all. And here this. So let's select this here, Control S to save. And now let's go on this workflow manager and creating one new session. So this here normalizer transformation, and let's go on this mapping. So we need to specify the file location. So this here we need to specify the file location. So file is in desktop. This here flat file is there. And there let's give. So this is CSV tab and row table. So this we need to give here the file there I want to create. So file I want to create or there on this or desktop I want to create the file. So this file that's created there. And the next is let's add their header. output field name. Now apply, and if you want, then you can see this is the property. So I did not change anything, reset or restart, just or this was simple example where I want to display what is the purpose of this normalizer transformation. Let's click on this start task. So now you can see this succeeded, and here you can see there are two that's rows that's come from the source, and after applying the normalizer transformation, this is now 6. So if I go on this file, the file that's created on this desktop, this is the file. So here you can see name that's come there, loan amount that's come there, or this, and loan tab, this all other also come there. The value GCD ID GK, this value that's come there, and here 123 123 of this call 5. So call 5 here, call 5 GCD ID loan value is there. So we need to use this GC ID. This generated the value 123 123 in the repeated folder. And other is next is here this GK loan amount. This is big int, and this here generating the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 like sequence number. Okay, so that the next is here. Let's do some little changes. So making this meaningful. So I will display the output like this format. So first is here name, the next is loan amount and the loan tab. So loan tab is here a string tab. So that let's use there one expression transformation. So expression transformation, and there we need to or this name, and here loan amount, and we need this one. This is required, this is not required. And the next is, let's click on this expression transformation. Let's go on this port. So here we need to add one new port. So this would be a string. Let's increase the precision, and here this is loan amount, and the next is give here loan tab. Loan tab, and this should be output port there. So here we need to write their decode function. So let's write their decode, and here the value true, making that true. So first is let's go on this port. Here you can see GCD ID loan amount. Let's double click there, and if the value, it has value 1 2 3, I already saw you. So if the value is 1, then there that print home loan, and GCD ID 2. So if the value is 2, then this for car loan, separate by comma. One more GCD ID, if the value is 3, then here credit card loan. So if the value is 3, then credit card loan. Now after that, separate, close by the bracket. So after giving this, you need to click on this validate button. So here you can see expression passed successfully. Let's click on this OK. So now here you can see one new column that's created, loan tab, and here this is a string, and this here expression that I have written there. So after that, the next is this is expression. Okay, 1 second. This all is there. Now let's take this, select this all, and dragging there. So one more thing, GCD is not required, so that here, if you want, then you can make that input port only. So this is used when we are using inside the loan tab expression. So the next is, let's select this all and drag inside there. Not there. this loan tab should keep on this loan tab. Now let's save that, and thereafter let's go on site workflow manager and refresh the session. Now let's click on this start task. So this run 26, and now here you can see. So let's close this, and now again open the row tab. So this time name that's come there, this is loan amount, and here loan tab is now home loan, car loan, credit card loan. So same, that's repeated on 3 times because it has home loan, car loan, this all values is there, and now Mike, that's repeated on this 3 times, and here you can salary, and this here the type of loan. So generally, now you can see here, this is this home loan, car loan, and this here the amount is there. Okay, and so this is the main benefit of this normalizer transformation. So first is this is active transformation, and it convert single row into multiple tabs. So I've given the value 3 so that it's come 3 times. If you give 4, then 4, 5, 5. So 3 I have taken because this here, or this is 3 times. So home loan, car loan, and credit card 3 times is there. So this converted into a row. So here you can see this converted into the row. So that I have taken the 3. If 4 is there, then you can increase 4 times. And here you can see this value is now 3, so that I have taken the 3. And this is the use of this normalizer transformation. So make the data in normal form. So we can here read the data in the normal form. So we can easily analyze the customer name. This has this amount of salary, this here taken the home loan, Sam this amount of salary, this here, and Sam this here for credit card loan. So now we can treat the data in more meaningful way by using the normalizer transformation.